Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix microphone not working on your Redmi 13. So first, what we're gonna do is we're gonna clean the microphone port, which is at the bottom, with the non-metallic tool. When you use something metallic, then you can only damage the port and it might cost you a lot to get it fixed. So use something non-metallic like a soft brush, and then you guys can go over and let's unlock the phone. Now we want to go over and go to the system apps. So this folder is made by default. Now we need to go to the recorder app, and here we need to test our mic. So let's click here, and now let's give it permissions while using the app, allow the notifications, and now as you guys can see, my microphone is working. So now what you guys can do, if it's not working still, you guys can go over and update your software to fix any mic glitches. So go over to the settings. Now here, let's go over to about phone and click either on update or on the Xiaomi HyperOS. As you guys can see, I've got an update to the HyperOS 2. And right now I'm on 1.0.8, so this is a big update and it can fix the mic glitches. So if you've got an update, then make sure to do it. And that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.